Janne, this is the latest innovation from Fastems. Please tell us all about it.
So it's a flexible pallet system. It's a pallet automation system for small to medium-sized machining centers.
Okay, when you say machining centers, do you mean VMCs or could it be horizontals, 5-axis machines and so on?
Yes, exactly. So with this system we can automate, for example, machine tools with automatic pallet changers or without. So all in all, this system provides very good possibilities to automate different kinds of machine tools.
And this is one of your smaller systems, so I'm guessing we can start with maybe one machine and then 2, 3 and keep growing.
Yes, exactly. So you can start only with one machine and then you can integrate up to 5 machine tools to this same system.
Do they have to be identical machines? Does it have to be 5-axis machines, or could it be a 3-axis or 4-axis?
Typically those are identical machines because the whole flexible manufacturing relies on alternative machines. So it's beneficial to have only similar kinds of machines in one system, but in some cases it's also possible to integrate different kinds of machines under the same system.
Sure, and obviously this is wonderful, but we need the software to control all of this. So tell me about your software.
Yeah, so this system, like any other Fastems automation there is powered by the MMS, the manufacturing management software. So MMS is planning and running and monitoring every movement this system does. So it starts from production orders, MMS schedules the jobs to the machines, starts to execute, gives commands for the stacker crane, and then when the production is running, we also provide some nice tools for monitoring, so checking utilizations, OEEs, and those kind of things.
When I've looked into Fastems before, when you put the component in the machine, that's kind of your last job, but now you've gone one step further.
Yeah, you're right. So with this system, we have also integrated this new zero-point clamping concept for zero-point plates called E-lock. And it includes some electrical zero-point elements that can be used to release and clamp the zero-point plate to the machine tool table.
So now all we need is a machine to put it in?
Yes, exactly. And the beauty of the E-lock is that we supply the energy from the load handler to the receiver unit in the machine. So no through the table media in feed is needed in the machine.
That's good, because many machines, you've got to have it pre-fitted at the time of order, haven't you? So that alleviates that problem.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so with Fastems, I've seen your solutions in many massive companies, the biggest companies you can think of. But I'm guessing with this, you're targeting maybe a smaller company.
Yeah, this fits to smaller companies, but also bigger companies as well. So the beauty of the FPS platform is that it can really grow together with the customer's business. So as said, you can integrate up to 5 machines into the same system. So we can scale up the capacity when the business requires it.